Can I sponsor my stepchild in the UAE if I'm not legally their guardian, but they live with me? Yes, it is possible. The main requirement for sponsoring your stepchildren is to get an NOC from their biological. I guess this in this case it would be the father, so a biological parent. So let's say if so you're married to your wife has a child from the previous marriage. If his or her father is still alive, and so they would need to issue an NOC that they do not object for you to sponsor your step son for the purposes of the UAE. So that's the main requirement. Now, that's obviously in the event that the father is present and is willing to give the NOC. There are often circumstances where the father, for example, maybe they're not on amicable terms and would not necessarily want to give the NOC. But let's say if the woman has, upon divorce, if the mother has full custody rights and it's clearly documented, for example, in the court order or settlement agreement, where the mother clearly has full custody, that document can be presented to the authorities in lieu of the NOC from the father. The third option is if obviously an option in this scenario, if the father is no more, so it's a late father, so he's passed away. In that case, is the death certificate. So again, in lieu of the NOC. And so, yeah, so it's basically either the NOC, the court order, or the settlement agreement giving mother full custody, or death certificate. But with all any one of those documents, you will be able to sponsor your stepchild.